What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. In this video, we're going to be showing you guys the delivery of the 2006 Chevy Impala I bought sight unseen from IA auction. The car is a salvage title car. Has damage on the driver's side doors. I am waiting for it to get dropped off from the transport company, but it's usually easy for me to just pick them up from there if they're taking too long to bring them to me. It is at their location. I bought the car from North Hollywood, so they towed it from North Hollywood to their location. Their location is only like 10 minutes away. So if I go pick it up, it'll basically be saving me $50 and towing. So I might just go ahead and do that because I have been waiting on them for a while to bring it to me. So I'm most likely just going to pick it up, and I'll show you guys once I get it back to the lot and tell you guys how I did run and drive. But before we get into this video, please guys don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment below, let me know how you liking these videos, what can I improve on, and what you guys think about the cars I'm buying so far. Because like I said in previous videos, I am showing you guys how to buy vehicles at different caliber brackets or whatever, far as salvage title, clear titles, cars need no work, little to no work, body damage, all that. I'm basically showing you guys different ways on how you can make money in this business as well, man. Because I always want to see everybody eating, because there's no purpose of doing it if you're not going to share the wealth or share the knowledge. Because most of the time knowledge is better than money anyways. I prefer knowledge over money because basically you can go further with knowledge than you can with money, if that makes sense to you. But yeah, man, y'all catch the drift, man. But like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment, share these videos, do everything, man, so we can keep getting these videos out to more and more people and help the channel grow, man. But all right, guys, let you guys get to this video and show you guys the damage on it, man, and basically what we're going to do to it, because I am going to be asking more money for this. So like I said, as you guys seen in the previous video of the 2005 Stratus, both driver doors on that one was damaged, but on that I changed the back one. On this one, I am going to change both doors. If I decide to fix it, I am going to change both doors. That way I can get more money for it, or I might just sell it as is and take less. But I might just fix it so I can get more money, man. But stay tuned to the video, guys. Just showing you guys the video on this 06 Chevy Impala LT. All right, guys. See you later. All right, guys. We got another one here. We got a 06 Chevy Impala. Close this door real fast. This is the damage on it. Just the two doors. It's pretty much the damage on it. It's a running and driving car. This car is dirty as ever, man. I don't know. Guess that's from the dust. The door still opens and closes like it should. I shouldn't have to do no body work on it. I'm hoping. I'm thinking, yeah, this is a crease right here. Yep, that's a crease. I'm gonna go check the other side real quick, but that's probably a crease because the door was hit and it bent that up. So it's probably gonna be a crease. Yeah, that's a crease, yep. But I think it is shut because the hinge is actually up here. So this wasn't touched, it's just down there. So pretty sure I won't have to touch that. But man, this car is dirty. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. This car is dirty, filthy. Like, I'm gonna have to do a whole full detail on this thing, man. As you see, it's running, but the battery is bad. Like, those lights that go off, let me show you. If I give it a little juice, those lights are turned off after the battery charges, or the battery dying. But once the battery charges up, those lights goes off, because I drove it from the transport to the lot and these lights didn't come on. You see the battery dying? Yep, battery's going dead. Yep. It's either going to be the battery alternator, but I'm believing it's the battery. They sit so long at the auction, so. But this car is dirty, man. Look at this. the tape was on this gear shifter because the freaking, it don't come out of part. So the neutral safety switch is bad on it. So that's why that tape was on there. But it's just a button you press on the side, and that'll work. All the power dead. Don't want to do nothing. But let me finish showing you guys the car. Freaking driver's seat don't work. It don't go back. Car about to cut off. Yep, car's about to die. I'm just gonna shut it off. Take the key out. So we need a battery alternator. That's not bad. Get my stuff out of here real quick. Dang, it is hot, man. So yeah, guys. This one was a winning bid of $575. It does have the fog lights. It is a LT. Clean all the way around. It does have one dent, like right here. You can barely tell, but that's why it's a little gappage right there, because it is a small dent, but it's a small dent. And then I'm not going to worry about. All the doors work. It's just dirty, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This thing is dirty. I should have recorded me driving it, because it did drive. It drove good, actually. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It drove real well. Like, I was surprised on how well it drove, because looking at it, it's in rough shape, like bad shape. But that's in the console piece, is in the trunk. They took that off so they can mess with that gear shifter thing, but it is in the trunk, so we're not gonna worry about that. It did come from California, so this is a Cali car. It came from North Hollywood, actually. Expensive on the transportation. I hate it. I hate buying from North Hollywood because the transportation is expensive coming from there. So we barely buy out of North Hollywood because of the transportation. But man, this is the Chevy Impala. So basically on this one, we're going to be replacing these two doors. Let me open this up, see how we're going to attack this. Okay, so basically we can either take it off from these 3 bolts here, or probably just these 2 bolts there and the 2 down here, or I can do the 2 here. I can do 2 here or 2 there. It all depends on of course you hear the freaking GM knocking. I hate that sound. Let me see how we're gonna do the front door. Front door is a little difficult to get to. Yeah, front door is more difficult to get to. And some bolts down up in there. Yep, front door is more difficult to get to. So let me see if we can do it from the hinge. Oh, so we can pop the front door off from these 2 bolts. Here, I gotta turn you guys sideways. From those 2 bolts there, we can pop the front door off. Dang, that noise is noisy. And those 2, so yeah, guys, we can just pop them off from those 4 bolts, the front door. And man, replace it. It's pretty easy. Replacing those 2 doors, not too hard. You know, it won't take long at all. I think replacing those 2 doors might take me 30 minutes, you know, maybe an hour, depending on how fast I move. It might take an hour. But yeah, guys, man, that's the 06 Impala, man. And like, we're only going to replace the 2 doors, the battery, finish charging the AC up, and I might try to figure out how to replace that. Well, get the driver's seat to go back and forth. And and it just power steering line just bust. So we gotta check out the power steering line, see what's going on with that, and post it for sale after that, man. Won't get much money for it, but you know, won't take a loss on it. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna keep buying these cars, showing you guys the process, and going from there. And yeah, man, this one is a salvage title as well because those 2 doors was hit on the driver's side. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this Impala, man. I'm gonna do an update video on me changing the doors and fixing some of the little things on it, me washing it up. I'll probably do a detailing video on it as well, just showing you guys the process of it. But thanks guys, tuning into another video. See you guys later.